belief that we should really form the government was that it is possible that in future the peaceful environment will be generating chaos. Is that all? All right.
So continuing from there, he said that at a later time, due to factors like overpopulation, there was going to be chaos. Chaos was around. Okay. So he also said that for this to be fixed, there was a need for governments or the state. However, he said that we would have to surrender not all, but some part of our rights to our leader, also the state. So he said that we will have to surrender some part of our rights to the leader. And he also said that we had every right to take the leader off power, or we had every right to kind of demote the leader when he did not perform up to that.
Can there be a distinction between this particular point you are making and the point that Hobbes made? What is the difference? If you don't bring the difference, you come to the call for it to define constitutionality. Is there anyone who wants to distinguish between this particular point and the point that was made? So let's go to the back. If you want to speak, just raise your hand.
In Hobbes' accounts, the masses of the people were to surrender all their rights to the Leviathan, but in Locke, he retained certain powers which allowed them to oust or to demote any power that couldn't uphold their fiduciary trust.
Moving on from what he said, that's actually what brought about the concept of constitutionalism. Now, what is constitutionalism? Constitutionalism, according to Prof in his lecture, refers to certain measures or mechanisms that have to be put in place to check or bridle the exercise of power by the executive president or the state.
So, in what way did Locke bridle the exercise of power by the leader? How? In what way? And note that this is why he's referred to. This is why he's referred to as the father of constitutionalism. In what way did he bridle the exercise of power?
That's by the retention of some of the rights.
You did that by what?
The retention of some of the rights of the people.
Please, Gyampo. First, it's not that I want to say everything. Point someone else to come and continue. Let him. Yeah. Who is your enemy?
Bernard Edutuma.
Bernard Edutuma. Where are you? Are you going somewhere after here? You came for it. Yes, sir. Yes, you are down.
Alright, so she ended on the note of constitutionalism. Then first of all, we get to understand that constitutionalism states that governments can and should be limited with regards to the powers that have been vested into them by the masses. That's the same thought Locke propounded in his social contract theory. Now, when we talk about governments being able to get checked on and governments getting bridled in terms of powers and functions, we're talking about certain mechanisms that should be instituted or put in place So they encompass the separation of powers, rule of law, independent media, the presence of also an independent civil society organization. So once these mechanisms are instituted or put in place, then we can.
Do you appreciate or understand how the mechanisms and measures that we just outlined serves as a check on the exercise of executive power? If you are not saying go on, do you for instance know how the doctrine of separation of powers serves as a check on the exercise of power? You are saying that. Do you know that? If you don't know, you are going to. But so can we take it as giving a go on? Alright, so can we explain to somebody here how, for instance, separation of powers serves as a check on the exercise of powers of the executive power?
So the list of education I've gathered from senior high school on to this place, I get to understand certain roles and functions of all the arms of government. And so once the judiciary perhaps is independent in interpreting laws, and once perhaps the legislature is also in charge of passing all bills and presenting all bills to parliament, certain acts of maybe the executive can't counter or override the powers of another arm of government, perhaps in the passing of a bill. The president can't come, as we see in our constitution, present a bill that has any financial implication to the House without the legislature coming into it.